Hey guys, if your Free Fire is lagging, freezing, or dropping FPS during fights, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best real methods to fix lag and make your game smoother instantly. First, open Free Fire settings. Tap display, click on Graphics, Smooth. High FPS, High or Ultra, if available. Tap on OK. Click on Recording. So guys, try these settings and your Free Fire gameplay will become much smoother with less lag. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Free Fire tips and tricks.